zombie! May zombie! Habang wala pa tayo.
Si Andre. Welcome to my vlog.
We're here. The lobby, ayan. Ito na kami. Sanda namin si ate, ang aming guide. So ito yung tsura nila. Ate, okay ka lang dyan? Di ba marami? Ito yung pool nila, ayan. Tapos ito yung guide. Dahil pare-parehas lang yung mga room. Isang room tour na lang tayo. Ayan, ito yung pool. Ayan, meron silang malalim kasi ano sila, ano rin sila ng diving. And then ito yung restaurant slash bar nila. And Ocean Beach Bar. Ayan. Ito na yung beach. And they have, ito yung mga siomai food court. And then dito tayo sa sea view. Arch houses. Dito tayo sa arch houses. Ayan ang arch houses. 3 room tour. And same din naman doon sa 201. Yeah, band wash, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. This towel for rag. Then toilet paper. This comes with a heater. And then dito may storage tayo. Ito yung difference nung isa. May storage. Ayan. So sa pares nung hanger natin. And then 2 double beds.
Single bed.
Single ba yan? Single pala, sorry. Lamp, desk, towels, dalawa. And then may desk, working desk, and outlets.
Ha? Oh no!
And a body mirror pala, may body mirror.
Or may boat.
And meron kaming 4 arch houses. Tama?
Si Bebe Boy. Si Ate Girl. Si Bebe Boy.
Kasi Miss
Baby Boy number.
So, ito yung beach sa baba. Dala lang kayo ng beach ng aqua shoes kasi medyo mabato. Then, pwede sila dito na mag snorkel. Ito pala yung backboard pala nung kama. Yung window, ayan na. Pero, yung backside lang ng mga structure, ayan.
May structure yan, no?
Hindi, backside ng structure ito.
Okay.
Ito yung mountain side na yun. Ito yung ano, yung activities.
Water adventure.
They have snorkeling. May bayad yung snorkeling? Baka yung rent nung ano, no, snorkel na sa dito tayo sa arch houses. Tapos balik tayo sa ano, sa activities. Yan, booties and fins, 100 and 200 per hour. Nga yung equipments ng pag-rent. Tapos kayak, ayan, 1 hour, 300. Double. Okay, yung dalawa yung sakay. Banana boat, fish feeding, discovery, scuba, tsaka diving. Massage, and then Mongolian ball night, tsaka foam party. For assistance, call 0951-108-2853. Deandre, nag-room tour lang ako Naka-ready ka na maligo. Deandre. Ayan, so So, sa mga arch houses, ito siya. Ayan. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 yung arch houses.
Pwede mo yung bilang mo, Tito Jay?
6, 7. Tapos, ito na siya. Overviewing na siya sa sea. And the mountains. Yan si Apa. Ayan na, ito na ang mga atots. Foam party. Nakita ko yun every Saturday night. Hanggang anong oras po yan?
Ayun po ay ano lang, mga 4 to 5 lang.
4 to 5. Sa 4 to 5 may foam party pala. Nire-ready na nila. Anong oras ang start na natin? 5?
Magsimula na po.
Magsimula na. Sige.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart.
Check muna natin itong Ocean Sun Deck. Ito, Ocean Sun Deck.
Sundeck. Oceana? Sundeck.
So, ito yung Ocean Sunset Suite. Okay. So, dito yung mga sunset and family suite. Ayan. Kasi pag family suite sila. So, ito yung sunset suite. Ayan. Ocean. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. So, dati may bridge yan dyan. From there, connecting dito sa destino. Kaya lang, I think, due to the weather, ayan, nasira siya. Pero pwede pa rin naman pumunta kasi may stairs pa rin dun. So, ito yung view niya from up here. And so, yung mountains ng Bawan and ocean ng Bawan. May members lounge. It's a restricted area. So, ito may restroom dito. Kaya ba, mukhang may hindi, tapos ubos na yan. So, dito may restroom. And then, signature suite. And then, try natin umakyat sa taas.
Meron pa ba? Feeling ko ito yung mga ibang parang...
Sunset suite na to. More on yung mga rooms na to. Bigger rooms. Sige, doon tayo sa kabilang side. So, doon tayo galing kanina. Yung check-in area nandun. Tapos viewable na dito yung pool. Ayan. So, ayan. Pool view 3 na room. So, ito siya. Pool view 3. Yan, nakita naman dito sa loob. So, may TV, may table and chair, tapos yan, toilet and bath yan. Then, ito yung bedroom. Yung bed. Queen size bed. So, akit pa tayo. So, ito. Remember nung pagdating natin, ito yung mga directions. So, dito, pag-akyat na pag-akyat, so, doon tayo galing sa likod kanina. Doon tayo galing sa baba. Diba? Ito yung pool. Ayan yung pool view rooms, family suites, sunset suites, ayan. So, ito yung naayos pa. Mukhang mag-add sila ng structure. And then, this one, mukhang ini-improve pa nila itong dalawang rooms na to kasi wala pa masyadong laman. It's the blue veranda at saka private suite. Yan. And then, let's go up here. Dito daw, ito private property kasi sabi ni ate kanina, nagtanong ako, dyan nakatira yung may-ari. Upstairs, dyan. Oh. So, dito sa taas, club room. So, may specific na ano sila eh. Ayan, hindi ko kita. Going up pa more. Emporium model unit. Bedroom, balcony, sofa bed, dining, kitchen, and toilet and bath. So, ayan yung building structure, which is ito. Ayan. And then, this is the model unit. Okay, got it. Ayan yung mga finishes. Kitchen, toilet and bath. Sliding wood partition. Ayan, lahat siya. From there, akit tayo. So ito, nakita na namin ito sa mga ibang vlogs. Meron silang volleyball and half court na may toilet dito sa gilid. That's Pac-Man. Ball Pac-Man. So going up more. So ito yung private villa. They have their own private place. So may jacuzzi, may own pool. Ito merong ano to, fountain effect. Tapos dining area. And then this is the rooms sa taas. Most likely ito yung kitchen. Kasi ito open area for the family or friends or groups. Still part of Destino, yeah. Tapos dito
Also, another
private space ulit siya. Pero dito walang pool. Ayan. Walang pangalan eh. This one. And then this one.
There's more. And then there's ano.
May kabana dito sa dulo. Kabana or kubo. And then meron ding ano, half court dito sa taas na taas. Oh. Ayan. So we made it this far. Ito na yung private property. Ito. Ito yung backside. Pero yung front side niyan, most likely overviewing sa ocean. So it's closed. So that's it. I think yan na lahat yung pwede nating mapuntahan dito sa Destino. Baba na tayo dun sa may pupaw. Pawisan na ako. Tingnan natin kung mabubuksan ko yung room. Ay, yung door. It's open! Let's have a quick look. Eto.
Yay!
Hindi, pipik lang tayo. Ayan, itsura niya. Ayan.
Is that ano? Kobe Bryant?
Yeah. So hanggang ganyan lang tayo. We won't go in kasi
Ay, naku.
mapapagalitan tayo. Hanggang sneak peek lang.
Pag nakita ko nilang video na to.
Peek lang tayo, hindi naman tayo pumasok. Tingin ko hindi tayo, let's see, try natin. Kung makaka-peek tayo. Wala. So ito yung full access nila dito. Wait, ate girl.
Wait, sila ko na.
Try ka, tapos pagka put mo, tatak mo. So ito, the Hidden Villa. Yan. Destino Hidden Villa.
Tayo, di ko alam.
I'm not sure kung ilang packs yung pwede dito. Pero pretty much it's a bit expensive kasi meron siyang, it's as if magre-rent ka ng isang buong villa eh, kasi may isang buong bahay siya technically. Ayan. So ito, from the pool area sa left side, ito lang yung toilet. Ayan. So merong bidet, may sink, tsaka ayan yung toilet. May ano rin, may tissue. Okay, ito yung pang women. Magkakatabi lang. So, dito naman tayo sa beach access. So, yung beach nila is available only until sunset. And then, yung pool is available until 9 p.m. So, ito. Dala lang kayo ng ano. Aqua shoes kasi mabato. Masakit sa ba. So, ito yung mga rooms. Arch houses sa taas, tapos yung mga room sa baba. Ayan, arch houses. So yung sa atin, 1, yung blue, from blue, 1, orange, yellow, orange, and pink, 1, 2, 3, 4 yan. Tapos hanggang doon sa dulo, 10 arch houses yan. Tapos ito yung mga family rooms pa sa baba. Ayan. Tapos yung kabilang access. Tapos dati ito may bridge yan. Ito bridge papunta dito. Kaya lang I think nasira na yun because of the weather. Ito beach with us yung sa atin dito. Ocean Beach Club. Yan ang destino. Yan. From there sa dulo ng arch houses hanggang dito. Yan. So yan. Enjoyin muna namin yung beach ha.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So, ito yung menu nila. Screenshot nyo na lang ha. Kabila ay ito. Sa bar. Oceana Bar. May rice bowls din sila.
11 to 2 p.m.
Ay, 11 to 2 p.m. May oras pala. Ayan.
So dito, meron silang honesty store. Scan QR code to pay or pay cash. Thank you.
The next day.
So, libot tayo ngayong morning. Tanungin natin kung anong oras yung breakfast. Open na yung beach. Kuya, sorry po, anong oras magsimulan sa breakfast? 7? Thank you po. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. breakfast. Ayan, pwede rin kumain dyan. City. Dito pala, bago umakyat doon sa mga arch houses, ito yung mga rooms nila. Beach view naman yan. Kasi nasa baba siya ng arch houses. Pero ano?
With dalawang egg, saka salad.
Sa akin, bacon, dalawa ring egg, tsaka salad. Fried rice.
So, yan. So, plated yung pinili namin. So, may other options dito na buffet. So, nandun pa ba yung buffet? Late.
Nandun ba?
So,
Ay, may-
buffet kasi
ano pa ba?
450. Tapos only siya. Pero ano lang parang limited lang din yung choices dun. Kaya pinili na lang namin mag-plated. So, makatipid pa ng 100.
Swimming after breakfast.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me.
Guys, ito na tayo. Nag-avail kami ng kayak. So, 600 pesos, ay 500 pesos pag dalawa yung capacity. Pag isa, 300 pesos for 1 hour na yun. Tapos kung may kasama kayo, pwede palitan na. So, ito is 500 per hour, dalawang capacity.
Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go. Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll
1, 2, 3.
never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So, check out na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag nag-prepare pa eh. So, ito yung driveway. Ito yung entrance exit ng Destino. Medyo paahon siya. So, yan. Let's go.